Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Audio Lab.
Hey, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
How are you doing, Derek? I'm doing great, Maya. Actually, I've been trying to build a new habit recently.
Oh, really? What kind of habit?
I've been trying to wake up a little earlier every morning and spend 10 minutes reading before I check my phone. Wow, that's a good one. Was it difficult at first? Very difficult, especially because my phone always seems more interesting than a book at 6 a.m. I completely understand that. But you know what? After a few weeks, those 10 minutes started feeling natural. That's interesting because today's topic is actually connected to that idea. Really? What are we talking about today? Today we're talking about how you can become a more fluent English speaker with only 10 minutes a day, and how self-discipline can help you stay consistent. That sounds perfect for busy learners. Before we begin, if you're enjoying English Audio Lab and want to improve your English through natural conversations, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. All right, let's get started. Derek, I think many English learners believe they need 1 or 2 hours every day to improve. Yes, I hear that all the time. But is that really true? Not necessarily. Of course, studying longer can help, but consistency is usually more important than intensity. That's a great word, consistency. Exactly. Consistency means doing something regularly over time. So 10 minutes every day is often better than 1 hour once a week. Absolutely. When you practice every day, your brain stays connected to English. It's like exercising a muscle. Yes, small daily practice keeps that language muscle active. Can I share something surprising? Of course. It's not vocabulary either. Then what is it? It's self-discipline. I agree completely. Many people know what they should do. They know they should practice speaking. They know they should listen to English. They know they should review vocabulary. But they don't always do it consistently. And that's where self-discipline becomes important. Let's explain that word. Good idea. Self-discipline means the ability to do something even when you don't feel motivated. In other words, you practice because it's important, not because you always feel excited. Okay, Maya, let's imagine someone has exactly 10 minutes every day. Perfect. What should they do? I would divide those 10 minutes into 3 simple parts. For the first 3 minutes, talk about your day. Even if you're alone, especially if you're alone. What could someone say? Something simple. Today, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I had coffee for breakfast. I have a busy day ahead. The goal isn't perfection. Exactly. The goal is speaking. What's next? Shadowing. That's a useful technique. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately after them, almost like becoming their shadow. Exactly. You copy their pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. And intonation means the rise and fall of your voice when speaking. And the final 3 minutes? Record yourself speaking. Many learners avoid this. They do. Why? Because hearing your own voice can feel uncomfortable. Very true. But recording yourself helps you notice mistakes and track your progress. And progress is motivating. Let's talk about discipline. Definitely. What's the easiest way to become more disciplined? Make your habit easy. Interesting. Many people fail because their goals are too big. For example, they say, I'm going to study English for 2 hours every day. And after 3 days, they're exhausted. Exactly. But almost anyone can find 10 minutes. That's why small habits work. So don't focus on studying perfectly. Focus on showing up every day. I love that phrase. Let's explain it. Show up means to be present and do the activity, even if your energy isn't perfect, even if your English isn't perfect. Just keep showing up. What do you think happens if someone follows this routine for 30 days? Their confidence will improve, definitely. Their speaking speed may improve. Their pronunciation can improve too. Most importantly, English becomes part of their daily life, and that's when real progress begins. Not because they studied for hours, because they stayed consistent. If you're waiting for the perfect time to improve your English, don't wait. Start today. Start with 10 minutes. Small actions repeated every day create big results. And remember, fluency is not built in a single day. It's built one practice session at a time. Now, we'd love to hear from you. How many minutes do you currently practice English every day? And what's the biggest challenge you face when trying to stay consistent? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident and motivated. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in your progress. We'll see you in the next episode of English Audio Lab. Bye everyone, and happy English learning!